In this video, we want to look at space debris. Learning outcome. At the end of this video, you will know what space debris is all about, types of space debris, dangers of space debris, strategies for dealing with space debris, and list of organizations dealing with space debris. What is space debris? Space debris, or space junk as it's normally called, referred to natural or artificial objects in space that poses risk to satellite, spacecraft, astronaut, and even our ability to explore space. For instance, these are space debris that we are talking about. As we can see, all those things we are seeing as observed here, they are the space debris. Leftover things, leftover absolute satellite, things used by astronauts in space, and several other objects. As we can see how dirty our space environment is. So we call all these space debris. There are two types of space debris, the natural debris and the artificial debris. The natural debris include the meteoroid, which is a small piece of rock or bit of a floating material that we found in space. And when it falls through the atmosphere of the Earth, it produces a bright streak of light, and we call this light a meteoroid. So a meteoroid is a flash of light that we see in the sky at night, where a small chunk of interplanetary debris burns up as it passes through the atmosphere. It is not, the flash of light is caused by the debris. A meteoroid is not the debris itself. And most of us have probably seen a meteoroid at night. Maybe you suddenly look into the sky, you see a flash of light. That is what we are referring to. It's a debris that burns up, releasing that flash of light. And when a meteoroid actually makes it to the surface of a planet or moon, we call the rock, the debris, a meteorite. Other natural debris found in space, they are the comets, which are material left over from the formation of planets. In one of my video, I talked about solar system, the formation. If you get the video, you have more information about the comets. Then other natural debris, we have the asteroid, and they are generally larger chunk of rock that come from the asteroid belt. And asteroids do not emit visible light, rather they reflect light. So these are the natural debris. Then let's look at the artificial one. The artificial debris, they are those left behind as a result of space missions, launches, and activities. So when we go, scientists, astronauts go into the space to carry out for a particular mission, launching of satellite or any form of activities in space, those things left behind, we call them artificial debris. And these include paint chips, default satellites, rocky stages, absolute satellite, small fragment of machinery, and materials left behind by human activities, and many others, as we have observed earlier. Why are we looking at space debris? We are studying it because of the danger involved. The presence of space debris poses high risk to astronauts and spacecraft, even satellites in low orbit, and to operational satellites in geostationary orbit. So because of the dangers posed by space debris, it is good we study it and we have information about it, and probably looked at strategy on how to remove or to reduce them. Let's look at strategies for dealing with space debris. Having known the danger involved, and the mission to space is a continuous thing due, especially with the improvement in space technology, there is need to strategize on how to deal with space debris. There are various strategies that have been proposed and have been put in place. One of it is active debris removal, and this involves the physical removal of debris from space using robotic arms, net, and even space harpoons for larger items. And the collected debris can be deorbited and allowed to burn up in the Earth's atmosphere. This is one of the strategies. Deflecting debris. This involves changing the trajectory of debris so that it no longer poses a threat to operational satellite, spacecraft, or astronaut. The other one is preventive and mitigation of future debris, and this involves designing satellite and spacecraft that can be safely deorbited at the end of their lifespan without breaking up. These are strategy, but the major challenge is cost effective, it involves money, and also implementation. But so far, these are the proposed strategy on how to remove debris, space debris. Let's look at this space debris. From this picture, we can look at space, 1956, see how space is. The debris here is few, 2006, as we can see. 2008, the number is increasing. See how space looked like. 2018, sorry for that. Then, see the prediction for 2030. This is how space environment will look like. And that is why strategy to remove debris is very, very important. So this is our space. These are the space debris. This is the space environment. And based on this prediction, this is how the space environment will look like. And it's not surprising because the rate of space mission, launching of different instruments in space, the advancement in space technology. So this is the prediction of space debris, space environment for 2030. How will the space look like? See the need for us to study space debris and also the need to strategize on how to reduce debris, space debris. Okay, there are different organizations that are strategizing on how to remove space debris. One of it is the European Space Agency. We have the National Aeronautic and Space Agency. We have the Interagency Space Debris Coordination Committee. We have Clear Space and Remove Debris. These are a list of organizations planning, strategizing on how to reduce space debris. Thank you very much for listening. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Like and share this video. Bye for now.